What's up, Wolfpack? Oh my gosh, it is so good to be back. Your girl was having some problems. I had allergies, and then it felt like I was getting a cold too. Today, we are going over to Franklin County, Missouri, around the Gray Summit area. We're going to Shaw Nature Reserve. I love this place. I consider this like one of the sister sites to the Missouri Botanical Gardens, because that is true. The Missouri Botanical Gardens did make a purchase of the land, and it was for 1,300 acres in 1925. In 1925 in St. Louis, they were burning a lot of coal, so in order to save their plant life, they bought and purchased a little bit of land, and that was called Shaw Arboretum. Arboretum. I can't say that word. Anyway, St. Louis was going from using coal to using more heat-related sources. So they didn't use the land anymore for that, but they purchased more land. During 1926 through 1977, they purchased more land for Shaw Nature Reserve that we're going to Shaw. We are going to do the wildlife plant sale. On Fridays, it's members only, so we will get a little sneak peek. Mama Wolf and I will buy some plants, and on Saturday, it's open for the public. So this is going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you some of my favorite Shaw Nature Reserve spots. Let's go. All right, Bailey. You know the rules. No parties. We'll be right back. You're a good girl. This was probably not the best idea that I wore shoes like this. Whoops. I forgot to tell you, once you get to the visitor center, make sure to have your Shaw Nature Reserve card out, or your botanical garden card out. So our price was free. You can show up at any time during Shaw Nature Reserve hours. And I don't know if how much it costs for non-members. But yeah, let's go back to hiking. We have made it to one of my favorite places, the wetlands, and you can hear behind me the frogs. So let's get going to the wetlands. It's about 5:20 and we just arrived back at the house. So I hope you enjoyed that video. On May 28th, we will be having my first live stream. So y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join this wolf pack. Y'all be safe. I will see you in the next one, and peace. Bye.